Such a good boy. Say hello, everybody. It's been a minute since we posted some videos. You know, life be life, and we'll try better to keep uploading and whatnot. Honestly, we gotta get this guy some other social media handles so we can start spreading the good word of Rockodaco. Yeah. Yeah, just wanted to show our face. Hello. Oh, look at he's so cute. Ain't he so precious? Isn't he so precious? My goodness gracious. It drives me insane. It drives me insane. Yeah, we're just checking in, so. Yeah, we'll do better. Bye. Bye, 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 bye.